How to install Google Chrome on your Mac. So simply open any web browser, for example Safari, and now enter here Google Chrome Mac. Now simply click the first option and here it will open you the download website of the Google Chrome. So make sure this is the official Google Chrome website and simply click download Chrome. Click on allow, it will be downloaded. And now we want to proceed the installation. So open your downloads and grab the Google Chrome to applications. Wait until it's done. And now you can open your applications and open the Google Chrome. And this is how you can download and install the Google Chrome on your Mac. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.